We will do whatever it takes, including marching again if it's necessary. What is most important is the fact that the rights of Jamaicans have been breached, and our goal as a movement, as a party, is to ensure that the rights of Jamaicans are fully protected. The government needs to follow the proper approach. They have failed to do so, and will prove that in court, and will ensure that the Jamaican rights are protected as they are currently under the Charter.
We indicated to the court that the charges under which they were brought, we are challenging the constitutionality of those charges, both under the Disaster Risk Management Act and the Public Order Act. We are saying that the government has used the wrong mechanism to implement the measures to control the pandemic. We are saying that Section 20 of the Charter provides the mechanism to do so, and the government has bypassed that. And so we are not against measures to control the pandemic. We are saying that the Constitution provides the mechanism to do so, and they must use the constitutional method. We say you can't use the Disaster Risk Management Act to infringe on constitutional rights, because the Disaster Risk Management Act is a simple piece of legislation. It was not an entrenched legislation that was used to amend the Constitution. So you can't use that to infringe on constitutional rights. What you need to do is use the provisions under Section 20 of the Charter, where a proclamation is made by the Governor General, and you invoke a state of emergency, and then you can use the Emergency Powers Act and the Emergency Powers Regulation and bring these measures under the regulation. But you can't use this mechanism that they have used. And we're also saying that the Public Order Act is a piece of legislation that was in existence from 1957, before independence. And we're saying in light of the new charter, that legislation cannot survive the new charter.
So the purpose of the march is to protect the rights and freedoms of Jamaicans. We will not stop until the government stops trying to force or use fraud or bribery or trickery to get the Jamaican people to take something they don't want to take. Despite the court cases, we will do whatever it takes to stop the government. If the government does not stop, we will not stop.